Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. And man, oh man, Charlie Munger just doubles down on Alibaba. Who would have thought this? And man, this is gonna probably cause mayhem in the market. I wonder what people are gonna be saying now that Charlie Munger doubled down on Alibaba. Because remember, people were thinking that maybe Charlie made a mistake, maybe he did things wrong. But here you go. This is evidence that he really believes in Alibaba because look what he did before. Look at his history of his buys. Like his first position was the 10% position, right? And that was around 220. And now he's buying around 140, which is crazy to think. Maybe he got it around maybe 150, 160. Just looking at Baba, he probably could have really bought it around 170, 160, 150, whatever in that price range. But we have to understand how Charlie Munger is thinking about this right now because we know he's a big supporter of China. He thinks Alibaba is like the it stock. Is there a better stock in the market that you can find that has a better chance of providing at least a double in the next year? Like, if you can tell me a stock that you think can provide a bigger chance of doubling once the dust settles, once things get organized, I don't know what it is because this has all the potential for doubling, for tripling. And we know his view on China. He's very bullish on the Chinese market, on e-commerce, on the cloud business. He thinks Xi Jinping is actually doing the right things in China right now, trying to stop all the anti-monopoly stuff, all the gambling, and everything like that. And he just talks about how China and USA have to work together. Like, it's beneficial for them both to work extremely together, like extremely important to work together because that's how they're going to function in a normal economy because, guys, they are two world powers with all these bombs, all these things going on. They can go to war. Like, it's just going to be bad for the world if that happened. So we have to understand that even Charlie Munger doesn't understand the market sentiment now, the VIE structure, regulation. Man, he doubled down. So, guys, does this tell you anything? Are you going to increase your position? Are you going to maybe sell out of it because probably Charlie Munger is still wrong of what he's done? Tell me what you think about Charlie Munger doubling down on his Alibaba position. Like this video, man, subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace!